Concentration methods. Today we are going to discuss about concentration methods, where we are using these concentration methods and how many types of methods is there. That's we are going to discuss in this video very clearly. We know that one, most of the compositions is solutions. For example, solution meaning you know that one, solution is the composition of solute plus solvent. So here solute is the generally you know that one less amount which is present in the solution, less amount, and solvent is the more amount, that is it clear, less amount and more amount, which is a solute that is less amount present and solvent is more amount. So in this chapter our target is very simple. Now in this concept very simple, in given solution how much solute is present, that's we are going to be calculate. In given solution how much solute is present, this is the solution. In this solution how much solute is dissolved, that's our target. So I'm going to be express here different concentration methods, one by one we'll discuss here. So first method, so all these methods, our target very simple, finding of amount of solute in given solution. So I'm writing list of these things. First one, W by W percent. Second one, you can take V by V percent. V by V percent. Next, W by V percent. And fourth one, strength of solution and molarity. Next, molality, mole fraction, normality. So all these are the concentration methods majorly we are using, and one more also is there, that is formality of the solution, capital F I am showing. All these are the concentration methods. So all these methods target is one, what is that? In given solution how much solute is dissolved. So we are going to be express different concentration methods. So we are going to discuss one by one. So first one, W by W percent. I'm explaining very simple way, not exactly book definition and everything. So how to understand and how to apply in examination, that's one I'm going to be explained here. So first one, W by W percent means W grams of solute dissolved in capital W grams of solution. This is we are taking percentage, that's why into 100 I am using. So with the example we'll discuss meaning also. Very simple this is. For example, 20 W by W percent of NaOH. What is the meaning of this one? So meaning this is 20 grams of NaOH dissolved in 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution. So you may can find out how much solvent is there. We know very basic point, that is solution equal to solute plus solvent. So now we can, you know that one solution how much we given, 100 grams, meaning that one. Then solute is 20 grams. Then what is the solvent here? So solvent equal to 100 minus 20, nothing but 80 grams. This is the meaning that one. This terminology and these concentration methods we are going to be used when we are calculating molarity also. Okay, this terminology they will give in the problem. They will give W by W percent, then find the molarity or normality, like that they can ask. So if you know this meaning perfectly, then you can calculate difficult questions, which is molarity based and normality based, all the things. And second one, I'm going to here V by V percent. V ml of solute dissolved in V ml of solution into 100 because I'm taking percentage. So you're not following exactly book definition. How to utilize these formulas we are doing directly. Okay. For example, here these concentration methods we can use. You may can find out any syrups. Okay, any liquids, which is the chemicals they mention. These are compositions. So this for liquids. For example, 25 V by V percent of ethyl alcohol. So what's the meaning that one? 25 ml of ethyl alcohol means this one, meaning 25 ml of C2H5OH dissolved in 100 ml of solution. So you can find out what the solvent volume here. Solution equal to 100. So 100 this is, and this is 25. I think so you can find out solvent volume. Okay. How much solvent? 75 ml. So next one, W by V percent. So W grams of solute dissolved in V ml of solution. So by looking percentage or formula, you can write, sir, above one is solute always, below one is solution. So if I mention W by V means V is the volume in terms of volume, W by W means in terms of grams, into 100 because I am taking percentage. Now write example. "25 W by V percent of NaOH." Now what's the means this one? 25 grams of NaOH dissolved in how many ml of solution? 100 ml of solution. So these are the three methods. We'll discuss remaining methods in next video. Thank you very much.